Hestia fixes this monumental waste of space by making virtually all of its water a shallow sunlight zone. Because the entire ocean floor sits on continental shelves that are only 1 to 200 meters deep, sunlight reaches the bottom everywhere. This allows living coral megacities to stretch for an uninterrupted thousands of kilometers, totally packed with trillions of animals competing in the most vibrant, sprawling aquatic ecosystem you could possibly imagine.
And then there are the coastlines. Coastlines are basically biodiversity superchargers, where land and sea ecosystems mix together. It's where nutrients collide, birds dive for fish, and predators cross boundaries. Because Hestia is an archipelago of millions of islands rather than just a few blocky continents, its coastlines are 45 times longer than ours. 45! That is an insane amount of transitional edge habitats for entirely new branches of life to just explode into existence.
So, when you add all of this up, the massive 70% increase in surface area, that perfectly stable orange dwarf star, the warm temperature eliminating ice caps, and those endless island niches, this superhabitable planet blows our biodiversity completely out of the water. We are incredibly proud of our estimated 9 million complex species here on Earth, but Hestia could comfortably hold hundreds of millions of unique, complex species.
Which leaves us with a truly fascinating question. Given so much energy, perfect stability, and boundless life, a world like Hestia would likely develop intelligent life, maybe even multiple distinct civilizations at the exact same time. So if they evolved in an absolute paradise where nature instantly heals itself, how harshly would they judge the barren, freezing, desert-covered rock we call home? If they gaze through their telescopes at our pale blue dot, orbiting a dying yellow star that is quite literally a ticking time bomb, would they just look at us and say, yeah, no thank you?